This is not your typical protein powder. Keep watching the video. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com, and on this channel we do do-it-yourself videos, product reviews, vacation videos, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. I've been hearing a lot of good things about the Heart and Soil grass-fed animal-based protein. That's why I'm going to be unboxing this, taste testing, and giving it a review. Let's open it up and let's see what we got inside. So my first impression of the inside of the box, you can see they have their custom branding on the inside of the box. This is something you would expect from a premium brand. Let's pull the protein whey out of the box and let's see what else is in here. Okay, so we got the protein powder and of course we have a couple of other items. Let's move this aside and let's see what we got. So it looks like we got a welcome to the Radical Health, and this gives you some just information inside. Looks like we got a Heart and Soil sticker and another welcome to Radical Health, of course, and it just features, of course, no GMO, 100% grass-fed, third-party testing. We'll get into all of that too as well, but let's take a look at the actual protein. As you can see, the flavor I chose was the chocolate sea salt. This is the grass-fed whey protein. 25 grams of protein per serving. That's 2 scoops. You can see it's 100% grass-fed powder. It is 2.84 pounds, 45.50 ounces, and it is 1,290 grams that you're getting each container. Let's take a look at the ingredients. As we can see from the packaging, everything is transparent. We can read all of the ingredients that is in this product. That is a very good thing. They're not trying to hide anything. And of course, you can see each serving is 2 scoops. You can go through the list, see the amount of calories, carbohydrates, protein, and at the very bottom, the full ingredient list. The reason why I purchased Heart and Soil protein is because a lot of other companies are using a lot of harmful ingredients, filler ingredients, heavy metals, pesticides, a lot of stuff that should not be in a protein powder. That's why I choose to use this one, and as you can see, they use third-party testing. Ingredients are independently tested for impurities, including pesticides and heavy metals. Heart and Soil is non-GMO. It's 100% grass-fed, pasture-raised, whole food sourced beef organs, no artificial sweeteners, nutrient-dense vitamins and minerals. Typical whey protein are highly processed. They often contain artificial flavors and sweeteners, and they mostly focus on protein only. To get 20% off your first order, I'm going to leave a link down below in the video description for you to get it. Let's break the seal on this. Let's open it up and let's have a closer look at the protein powder of what's inside. Okay, this comes off. Right, and this just pops off the top. And here we have our lid and our scoop. Okay, there we go. And you notice there's no plastic scoop, so we don't have any microplastics inside. So on the packaging, the suggested use is mix 1 serving, which is 2 scoops, into 8 to 12 ounces of raw milk or your favorite beverage of your choice. What I want to do is I'm going to mix 1 scoop in a shaker cup, and I want to test that out. And I also want to mix the other scoop into a glass of water, just stirring it. I want to see how well it mixes just with stirring versus a shaker cup. For the first test, I'm going to mix 1 scoop into a glass with, I'm just going to use some coconut water. It doesn't matter what you use. You can use raw milk, you can use just about almost anything. So I'm just going to fill up about half of what I would normally use, and let's use 1 scoop. I just want to see how well that mixes just using a spoon. I'm just going to mix it for about 20-30 seconds. After mixing for about 30 seconds, you can see it's mixed quite well. There's no real chunks at the bottom. So if you want to use this just with stirring in a glass, if you just want to mix it by stirring, it seems like you will do just fine. Let's see how it works in a shaker cup. Now I'm going to use the shaker cup. This is just a standard shaker cup. It also has a screw-on bottom where you can, if you're going to the gym or you're out and about, you can just keep the protein in the bottom. It even comes with another attachment, which I don't have here. You can freeze it and keep it nice and cold. I'll leave a link in the video description if you want to get one of these or something like that. So I'm going to fill this up with some more coconut water, and I'm going to put the final serving, the final scoop in here. Okay, I'm going to put the lid back on, and let's shake that and see how well that mixes. And as you would expect, this is mixed quite nicely. Now, one of the most important tests is the taste test. Let's try it out. That's very delicious. I'm a type of person who does not like very sweet drinks. This is absolutely perfect for me. Very delicious, and I'm quite happy knowing that the ingredients are pure and no other artificial flavors are added into the ingredients. This protein powder is for people that like whole food nutrition, carnivore animal-based diets, and people that like clean ingredients. This product would not be ideal for people that are on a budget or like dessert-like flavors, very sweet ingredients. My final verdict, I absolutely do recommend the Heart and Soil whey protein. I would absolutely buy this again, and don't forget the link in the video description will get you 20% off your very first purchase. So that's it for the Heart and Soil protein powder. I just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Share the video. Like the video, leave a comment down below. We'll see you next time on the next video. JeffLepard.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.